The word for this video is ramp. As a noun, ramp means an inclined surface that connects two levels, an incline. As a noun, ramp means a road that connects a freeway to a surface street or another freeway. As a noun, ramp means a mobile staircase that is attached to the doors of an aircraft at an airport. As a noun, ramp means a large parking area in an airport for aircraft, for loading and unloading or for storage. See also apron. As a noun, ramp means a construction used to do skating tricks, usually in the form of part of a pipe. As a noun, ramp means a speed bump. As a noun, ramp means a leap or bound. As a noun, ramp means a concave bend at the top or cap of a railing, wall, or coping, a romp. As a verb, ramp means to behave violently, to rage. As a verb, ramp means to spring, to leap, to bound, rear, or prance, to move swiftly or violently. As a verb, ramp means to climb, like a plant, to creep up. As a verb, ramp means to stand in a rampant position. As a verb, ramp means to cause to change value, often at a steady rate. As a verb, ramp means to adapt a piece of iron to the woodwork of a gate. As a noun, ramp means an American plant, Allium tricoccum, related to the onion, a wild leek. As a noun, ramp means a promiscuous man or woman, a general insult for a worthless person. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.